want to go over a question I get asked a lot, and it has to do with bank accounts. And the question is, how many bank accounts do I need for my small business? And it's tough to answer that question with any certainty. I will tell you this in my experience. I recommend having an operating account. That operating account is where you pay your ongoing expenses, salaries, overhead, those sorts of things, rent. You can have a separate payroll account. That way you know each pay period you've got enough in there to cover that pay period, just kind of as a safety measure to make sure you have enough to cover that, since it is a critical expense. But anything above normal operating and payroll costs, I would suggest moving to a higher interest rate bearing account, like a money market account. Now I know, and I see it a lot, is there's a book out there called Profit First. A lot of people have an operating account, a profit account, tax account, various other accounts, and we get 5 or 6 bank accounts on their balance sheet, and which is fine. There's complexity that comes with that, transferring funds, being disciplined enough to transfer, being disciplined enough not to utilize those funds for something else. So you have a lot of ins and outs, and I see a lot of confusion sometimes. So if you're going to follow that protocol, profit first, multiple accounts, make sure you have a plan set up to do it, and do it the right way consistently.